Bonjour, do you know what the word ciné is in French? Have a guess. That's right, it is a word which means cinéma, and it is an abbreviation. So, let's have a look at French abbreviations. Now, the reason why I've chosen to do this lesson today is because abbreviated words are commonly used in French, okay? They are everyday words, and so you may know them in their full spelling and not as abbreviated words. So now, if you hear a word which is abbreviated, you might think, oh, okay, well, I think I know what that means, okay? Let's have a look at the list. Accro, and that comes from accroché, which means addicted or hooked. Un ado, that comes from adolescent, and that's a teenager. L'apéro, that's l'apéritif. We all know what that means, pre-dinner drinks. L'après-midi, that means l'après-midi, the afternoon. Le bac, that means le baccalauréat. This is these French exams that kids take at the age of 18 in France. Bio, biologique, and that means organic. Une cafette, une cafétéria, a cafeteria. Le ciné, le cinéma, that's a cinema, or un ciné. Une clim, ou la clim, means la climatisation, and this is the air conditioning system. Un déca, un café décaféiné, decaf. Un dico, that is un dictionnaire, a dictionary. A dispo, that means disponible, available. Un écolo, un écologiste, an environmentalist. Un exam, and this comes from the word examen, an exam. Une expo, that's an exposition, an exhibition. La fac or une fac, la faculté, and that's the university. L'hosto, and that's l'hôpital or the hospital. Un impair, that's an imperméable, and that means a raincoat. Un intello or intellectuel, that's an intellectual. Une info, une information or news. Une manif or une manifestation, which is a demonstration. La météo comes from la météorologie, so the weather forecast. Un mécano, that comes from un mécanicien or a mechanic. Une mob, that comes from mobilette, a moped. Un ordi, that comes from un ordinateur, a computer. Le périph, le périphérique or the ring road. Un pro or un professionnel or a pro. Le psy, that means le psychologue ou la psychiatre, le psychiatre, the psychologist or the psychiatrist. La sécu, ça c'est la sécurité sociale or social security. And to finish, la télé or la télévision. That's it for me. So if you want to sound more French, try to use these words instead of the long version. Now there are examples available on the support guide available with this lesson at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Remember to subscribe, and that's it for me. Au revoir, à bientôt. Bisous, bisous.